Welcome to STEAM Robo, where we're revolutionizing education for the 21st century. Introducing AI Connect, the world's #1 coding and AI platform. With AI Connect, students can learn Python and AI with ease. Our platform offers a game-changing approach to learning. For young students, we've made Python accessible with block-based programming, making it easy and fun to learn. Our AI and IoT lab, along with the AI Connect platform, are seamlessly integrated with CBSE and ICE curriculums. This ensures students receive a comprehensive education that prepares them for the future.
Forward, backward, left, right, stop.
From the youngest learners to the most advanced, our lab and platform cater to all age groups. Students engage in hands-on projects that foster creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. With STEAM Robo, your school will be at the forefront of education. We're not just teaching, we're preparing students for a future where AI and technology will play a central role in every industry. Empower your students with the skills they need to thrive in the 21st century. Contact us today to bring STEAM Robo's AI and IoT lab, along with the AI Connect platform, to your school.